Hello everyone. In this video we will just show you how to lock the cells. Okay, for example, you want to just unlock this area and you want to lock other areas. Okay, just you would like to edit this area and leave it unlock, but other areas you would like to that area should be locked. Okay, so for that, first of all, what we should do, let's on the left side, this corner, this link you see, press this link to select all rows and columns. After that, right click. After right click, come here to the format cells. In the format cells, come here to the protection tab and see this is locked. Okay, leave it as locked, checked. Okay, and press OK. After that, you would like to edit. For example, you just want to leave this area editable. Okay, you want to unlock this area. Okay, so for that, again select that area and press right click, come here to the format cells and to the protection, and you see this is locked, but make it unlocked. Okay, remove the check and press OK. So after that, now to apply this cells lock and unlock, so for that we will come here to the review tab. In the review tab, protect sheet. After protecting sheet, leave this as empty, the password without password, and press OK. So now we have applied on this sheet. Okay, let's write something here. See, we cannot write here something. Okay, we cannot edit this area and cannot do anything with this area, but this area is editable. Okay, these rows or from 2 to 7. Let's, for example, I want to edit this area. Okay, see, we can edit that area also like this. See, this area is, these cells are editable, but all other columns and rows cells are locked with us. Okay, so this is how you can lock the cells in MS Excel. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Thanks for watching.